Hey everyone, we're back with weekly videos. I actually didn't leave anywhere, but we're going to try Fridays instead of Wednesdays. That's the new structure. Before we do anything else, it's just a short video this week. Everyone has been super busy, but I did want to say a couple things. First, we are so happy to have so many of you back on campus every day now. It feels like school again for the first time in a long time. You guys are really filling us up in a lot of ways, and so we're so glad that you're here. Also, I want to say I was just super proud of how flexible you're all being. There's so many new things that we're trying to make work, and you guys have been really cooperative for the most part and just going with the flow. And that's just kind of what being a Core School Cougar is all about. Proud principal this week. You guys have really done well. So let's keep up the good work. Speaking of which, we do need to make kind of a change to our breakfast procedures in the morning. So I made a video about that for how that's going to work. Basically, we're going to have you all eat breakfast in the quad. If you are an older student, 4th through 8th grade, you're welcome to eat your food on your way to the classroom as long as you guys aren't making a mess. That's okay. But we do have dedicated spots for you as well. Kindergarten through 3rd grade students, we are going to ask you to go ahead and stay in the quad area for your breakfast. And so hopefully this video makes it clear where you're supposed to go, because basically what we want to have you do is eating breakfast with the other folks in your class. All right, so hopefully the video helps. If not, your teacher can clarify for you, and then we'll be out there to help you in the morning as well, get to the right spot. Okay, so we'll be starting that next week, and I should stop talking so you can see the rest of the video. All right, bye now. Okay, guys, Pride postcard recipients this week. We got them in the box. We're shuffling them up. Actually had one student receive 2 this week from 2 different adults on campus. That's always super fun. Still shuffling. And this week's winner is Mari. Well, Mari, you had 2 in there, so you had a better chance of winning than anyone. So Mari, next time you're on campus, come on by the office and collect your prize. Okay guys, so at the beginning of the video here, you can see where you would normally pick up your breakfast in the morning. And then basically what we've done is we've set out various spots throughout the quad area for you to eat with other folks of your grade level. So the camera just sort of pans around to sort of see where your spots are. So kindergarten and 3rd grade are closest to the county playground. And then 1st and 4th grade are in the middle, sort of in either one of the coverings there. And then 2nd and 5th are on the side closest to Mr. Page and Mrs. Gresham's classroom. And then 7th and 8th grade and 6th grade are in the back. So those are the areas where we would like for you to eat your breakfast in the morning. Okay? Thanks, guys.
Hi everybody, it's time for postcards from Charlie. Hello Core School. I took some time to go camping last week. I had so much fun, but it's really hard to set up a tent when you don't have any thumbs. I got to spend time around the campfire, going on night hikes. There was so much to do. I didn't want to leave. I hope you're all staying healthy and washing your hands and wearing your masks. See you soon.
Okay, guys, that's all that we have for this week. Would really be great to have some more content here. Go ahead and send us your pet videos. If you have something you'd like to share, that's always one of my favorite parts. That's getting to see your pets. I'm also going to call out 7th and 8th grade. I just want to let you guys know 6th grade is just destroying you in terms of the number of videos that have been submitted from 6th grade for video game and movie reviews compared with 7th and 8th grade. Like, it's not even close. You guys are getting destroyed right now. So maybe that'll work. You guys, come on, step up. Let's get some more content in here so these videos aren't just Mr. Johnson talking, because that's really boring. All right, you guys, have a great week, and we'll have another video for you next Friday.